In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn money from the Binance Launchpool using your iPhone on the Binance Launchpad. Let's dive in and explore this easy to follow process that allows you to grow your assets effortlessly, all from the convenience of your mobile device. First things first, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into your verified Binance account on your iPhone. Correct login credentials and verification are essential because they enable you to access all the features Binance has to offer securely. If you're not yet verified, take a moment to go through the necessary steps on the app to complete this process. Once you're in, locate the More tab at the bottom of your screen. Upon tapping More, a comprehensive list of options will unfold before you. Among these, look for the category labeled Launchpool and tap on it. The Launchpool section is where the magic begins, allowing you to participate in earning rewards through staking. In this step, you will need to pick an active pool that piques your interest. Whether it's BNB, FDUSD, or any other available asset pool, select one that aligns with your investment goals and tap subscribe. Each pool will have different offerings, so it's beneficial to read the details and choose wisely based on potential reward opportunities and the asset you wish to stake. After selecting your pool, it's time to enter the amount you wish to stake. The minimum amount you can enter is about 0.1 of the asset. Input your desired amount and make sure to review the details one last time before you hit confirm. Once confirmed, your assets are locked and you've successfully subscribed to the pool. Now let's talk about the rewarding part of this experience. Rewards accrue hourly, and the beauty of this system is that you can claim them anytime you wish to your spot wallet. This flexibility means you can decide how often you wish to collect your earnings, whether you prefer hourly excitement or saving up for a bigger amount before transferring. Finally, it's important to know that you have the freedom to unstake your assets anytime without suffering any penalties. Your principal will automatically return to you once the pool concludes its operation. This feature provides peace of mind, knowing you can access your original investment and manage your assets according to any changing financial needs or strategies. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to maximizing your earnings on Binance Launchpool using your iPhone. Remember, the key is to keep an eye on the available pools and their timelines so you can make informed decisions on staking. I hope you found this guide helpful, giving you the tools to embark on your Binance Launchpad journey confidently. Thank you for tuning in and happy earning.